Today, we're going to find the tangent line of f of x equals x squared plus xy minus y squared equals 1 at the points 2, 3. Alright, so right here he found the slope of the equation. So what he did first was he had to find the derivative of this, which is just here you do the power rule and you get 2x, and here you have to do the product rule because it's xy, and you get x dy dx plus y, and then over here you repeat the power rule and you just get negative 2y dy dx, and then you plug in the points that were given, and you get 2 times 2, which is just 4, and you get plus dy dx plus 3 minus 6 dy dx equals 0. And then you move all like terms to one side, and you get 6 dy dx minus 2 dy dx on this side, and you get 4 plus 3 on this side. And then you have dy dx equal dy dx parentheses x minus 2 equals 4 plus 3, which is just 4 dy dx 4 equals 7, right? And then you just divide 4 both sides and you get 7 divided by 4, which is just dy dx. And the slope is also dy dx, so that's how you find the slope. Slope and our points, we plug it right back into the y equals mx plus b formula, and we get 3 equals 7 over 4 times 2 plus b. And in there we get 14 over 4 plus b, and then we subtract 14 over 4 to the opposite side, and we have to get a common denominator, so we change 3 into 12 over 4, and we get negative 2 over 4 equals b, simplified is just negative 1/2. And then when we have that, we plug that's our b, so we plug it back into the original, and we get y equals the slope, which is 7 over 4x minus 1/2.
Alright, so we're going to find dy dx of f of x equals cosine xy plus x to the 5th equals y to the 5th. So first, we're going to have to do the chain rule. So we're going to do derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. So then with the derivative of the inside, we're going to have to do the product rule with xy. Alright, so now we're going to distribute the negative sine xy to the x dy dx and the y. And now that that's done, we're going to bring the dy dx's to each side and combine like terms. Now we're going to dy dx by itself, divide both sides by this. there's your final answer.